Today, I'm reviewing the Kktick T5, and honestly, it really surprised me with everything it offers at this price point. We're talking about an AMOLED display, integrated GPS, and a massive 860 mAh battery that can last up to a full week. And here's the kicker. With the coupon I'll leave down below, you can grab it at 40% off until September 30th. We're going to break it down in detail, so sit back and let's get started. The Kktick T5 comes in packaging that screams rugged right from the start. It's a square black box with the watch on the front. On the top corner, you'll see badges that set it apart: Sport, Offline Map, and an AMOLED icon showing off its screen. Below, 3 highlights: GPS positioning, 3 ATM water resistance, and a massive 860 mAh battery. The left side of the box lists more features: Bluetooth calling, Aroha GPS, TWS support, sports modes, and 4 GB of internal storage. On the right, you'll see a profile shot of the watch with rugged design and military-grade certifications. Opening the box, the first thing you see is the watch face. Underneath, a compartment holds the magnetic charging cable and user manual. Then you find the watch itself, well protected, plus a surprise: 2 straps included, a bright orange silicone band, and a tough-looking stainless steel strap. In short, the unboxing feels premium and adds real value. From the moment you open it, the Kktick T5 makes it clear: this isn't just another budget smartwatch. In hand, the Kktick T5 immediately stands out for its size and presence. It's big, bold, and rugged, exactly what you'd expect from something called tank. On the right side, 2 physical buttons, with the top styled like a crown. Between them, a blue insert engraved with GPS, reinforcing its outdoor vibe. On the left, the speaker grille. On the right edge toward the back, the microphone. On the underside, health sensors and the magnetic charging pins. The straps are excellent quality and completely interchangeable, easy to swap between styles. But the real highlight here, the 1.43-inch AMOLED display with 466 by 466 resolution. Colors are vivid, contrast is sharp, and outdoor visibility is excellent, even under direct sunlight. In short, the design isn't just marketing. The Kktick T5 really feels like a rugged, military-inspired watch built to last. If the design already felt like a tank, the features prove this is a full-on beast. Connectivity, make and receive calls, access contacts, dial numbers, check call history, and even reply via voice commands. Plus, real-time notifications from your favorite apps. Sports and health. Over 100 sports modes with detailed metrics. Tracks steps, distance, calories, heart rate, SpO2, stress, sleep, and even guided breathing. It even includes built-in video workouts. You can follow short training sessions right from your wrist. Outdoor tools. This is where it shines. GPS with offline maps plus compass and barometer. Perfect for hiking, cycling, or adventure sports. Entertainment and multimedia. With 4 GB of storage, you can load music, connect Bluetooth headphones, and leave your phone at home. You can also upload photos and videos via the app and play them directly on the watch. Built-in gallery, music player, video player, and even a voice recorder. Extra tools: calculator, calendar, built-in games, women's health tracking, flashlight, remote camera control, world clock, decibel meter, and phone finder. Customization: multiple watch faces, custom wallpapers, always on display, brightness, vibration, font adjustments, and gesture controls. Lift to wake, double tap to wake, cover to turn off. Advanced settings: power saving mode, night mode, password lock, menu styles, multilingual support, and even a 3D demo video mode inside the watch. All of this backed by AMOLED screen, up to 7-day battery life, 4 GB internal storage, 3 ATM water resistance, plus military certification. Definitely not your average budget smartwatch. Pairing is done via the Wear Pro app, Android and iOS. Quick and stable. Turn on the watch, enable Bluetooth, open the app, and connect. From there, you can sync contacts, manage notifications, transfer media, and more. In my test, connection was smooth and stable. Specs look great on paper, but how does it actually perform day to day? Performance, smooth system, fast transitions, no lag, feels way above typical budget smartwatches. Display, AMOLED panel looks fantastic with sharp colors and excellent brightness outdoors. GPS, accurate and reliable, with offline maps making it a true outdoor tool. Battery, 860 mAh means 5 to 7 days of normal use and up to 25 days standby. In real use, I easily got a full week without charging. Connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3 pairing is stable, no random drops, and you can even pair headphones directly to the watch. Calls, speaker and mic are clear enough for everyday use, no need to pull out your phone. Health tracking, solid for basic metrics like heart rate, SpO2, stress and sleep. Not medical grade but reliable for fitness tracking. In short, the Kktick doesn't just promise, it actually delivers a consistent, reliable experience. Let's start with the good. Huge 860 mAh battery, 7 days normal use up to 25 days standby, bright 1.43-inch AMOLED display, vivid colors, deep blacks, excellent outdoors, GPS with offline maps, true independence from your phone, 4GB storage, music/photos offline plus Bluetooth headphone support, over 100 sports modes with detailed tracking, strong health features, HR, SpO2, stress, sleep, rugged build with 3 ATM plus military certification, tons of extras, compass, barometer, video workouts, games, voice recorder, flashlight, etc. Stable connectivity with Bluetooth 5.3 plus TWS support, deep customization, faces, menus, fonts, gestures. Cons, size and weight, not ideal for small wrists or those wanting a slim watch. Slow charging, about 3 hours for a full charge. Busy interface, so many features can feel overwhelming. Price gap, discounted at approximately $60. It's a steal, but at full price $149.99 it competes with bigger brands. My advice is, if you like this smartwatch, don't miss the chance to take advantage of this offer. After testing the Kktick thoroughly, I can say it's one of the most complete smartwatches I've seen in this price range. You get an AMOLED display, GPS with offline maps, week-long battery life, and features usually reserved for much more expensive models. It's not perfect, it's big and slow to charge, but at under $70 with the coupon in the description, it's a killer deal for anyone looking for a rugged, feature-packed smartwatch with amazing endurance. Now I want to know, would you buy the Kktick or would you go for another brand? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next reviews. Catch you in the next one. Blessings.